Hey there, security experts. Today I'm diving into the age-old debate, digital or traditional locks. Which one really suits your needs best? Let's kick things off with digital locks. These modern marvels offer unmatched convenience. Imagine not needing to fumble for keys, just a tap on your smartphone and voila, you're in. Plus, they come loaded with features like remote access and integration with smart home systems. Worried about security? Digital locks often have robust encryption, making them tough nuts to crack. However, they're not without their downsides. Digital locks can be pricey and might require professional installation. Then there's the power issue. No electricity or battery, you might find yourself locked out. Now let's talk traditional locks. These are the tried and true heroes of security. Affordable, durable, and readily available, they've been keeping us safe for centuries. They don't need batteries or a power source, so they're always ready to do their job. But traditional locks have their own set of challenges. Losing a key can be a nightmare, and let's be honest, lockpicking tools are easily accessible. They also lack the advanced features that their digital counterparts boast. So which one should you choose? It all boils down to your budget and requirements. If convenience and cutting-edge security are your priorities, digital locks are the way to go. But if you're looking for something reliable and cost-effective, you can't go wrong with a traditional lock. Need more info? Feel free to reach out at www.fingerprintdubai.com. Thanks for watching.